What's up everyone? So today we want to look at how to wire a crossover like this. So for some of you that will be buying crossover in the process of building a speaker, because we'll be building a speaker this week. So this is the brand new crossover panel which I need. Because if you can build, you save yourself a lot of cost of buying brand new speakers. It's good if you can buy it anyway, but you understand, for a young startup like me, it's not really easy. But since I'm into it, I can easily build a very good one up to my taste. Because with the budget of what I have, if I'm to buy a brand new one, I may not be able. So that's what we'll be doing in this video. So now, here are the basic things you should note on this panel, which you must really take note of. If you look at this panel, you'll see that there is a side they wrote in. So this is where your input will be coming in. So what is coming from your power amplifier will be coming through this place. Now for this side you can see woofer out, so this is the side that will be sending to your speakers. You understand? Why this is tweeter out, this is the side that will be sending to my tweeters. So that's just it. So this is a two-way crossover, as you can see it here. Is by IMC, so it's a very good one, so it will do the job perfectly for us. So you can see a two-way unit, it has double protection, so it's a good one. Even though it's one way, you have no wire light to still do the job. So remember, woofer out. So let's start with the woofer out. Now follow polarity, very important. This is a negative, this is a positive. So this is a negative pole. Let's start with that one. So we'll be using two woofer speakers. So this is it. I want this wire, instead of cutting it, I will just make it in such a way that this will connect, and it can easily connect with the two speakers conveniently. So these videos will be in series. So for today we'll be running this connection, so you understand. So that's why you must subscribe, so when I drop the next video you will not miss out on it. So let's go. Let's first clean up our soldering iron. Sorry, I'm using knife. I can't see my scraper, that's why. But this will still do the job anyway. Alright, so first thing, apply lead on those terminals. You want to work on, apply the leads on it, so it will make it sold faster. You can see my lead is there. Don't stay too long so the component will not fall off. And if you like, you can just put the wire inside. Let's put it inside. I thought there is even a component there, but not. So let's put our soldering iron. It will make the hole. Clean it up. And for the second side, so we can easily put our wire inside here now. I don't still want to cut, but with this hole I'm seeing now, I have no option. But I don't want to cut it, so I don't want to cut. So let me just tack it here directly. But if you want wire just put it in and sew. I don't like too many joints in my work. I like a single wire doing it. So let me just apply lead to this and we'll sew it up. Don't forget, subscribe to this channel. We'll teach you how to do a lot of DIY, do it yourself projects. And if you are really serious about it, some of you can even start a real business out of this. So let's put this one here. This can be very hot sometimes, especially the wire. I just plugged the iron off recently, it has removed. I was wondering why it's not hot again. Sorry, let me pause this video so it gets hot back. Let's see. It has cooled off. I now know it has off. Let me pause. Yeah, my soldering iron is back. Sorry, I've sewed this before I remember I'm doing video. So, but we'll continue from there. So remember, this is for the woofer. This is a negative for the two speakers. This is a positive for the two speakers. So let's proceed from the rest. So you see the connection is just normal soldering anyway. So you didn't miss anything too much. You know, still factory soldering, so I have to break those points. This for the tweeter side. So let's go now. So for the tweeter side, I'll be using these two wire. these thick ones. I like using quality material. So this is a positive. This one will be using for positive, and this is the one for negative. So if you look at this, they will write it on a plus, minus. You can see it's there too, plus, minus. So this is the one for our plus. Let's put it inside. And this is the one for our minus, which is the negative side. So let's put it, let's first sew this first one. It's very simple to do. Once your lead is very hot, you don't have any push. Ha! What's wrong? Again. Man. Ha! That's serious. The iron that shaked again. When I was not recording, I have to change the plug for my iron very soon. Don't worry, it will come out back. It's getting out gradually. Let's see if it is hot back. Okay, coming gradually. Assuming it's very hot, it would have met this instantly. Let me wait some seconds again. So let's continue now. The iron is back. Sorry for what has happened. It's not my fault too. So you can see the way it's melting up now. But that's just it. It didn't miss much. It's just normal soldering. So it's hot now. Let me fix all these ones. And not too hot when I was doing it. That's okay. So that's just it. Let's look at the connection once again. This is my point of input. Let me cut this wire. This one don't need to be too long. It's just a moderate wire. If you remember that last video that we built this, remember, so this is the one that will be connecting to our input. This will be connected to the input, and this will go to the tweeters, and this will go to the other speakers. So let's look at what we've done so far, so we'll analyze it together. It's just simple, like ABC. So here is what we've done. Remember, your input point is this. This is the negative, this is the positive. Now for your output point that is going to your woofer, this is the negative point, which is this blue wire, and we know it's going to my big woofer. So I'm taking, it's a 15-inch speaker, so this is what we'll be sending to the negative side. For the positive side, this is it. Then for my tweeter, this is it. You can see that even though the tweeter is not consuming much power, but I still use a quality wire. So this is the negative, this is the positive, which will be going to the tweeter. So with this now, we've run the connection, so we can easily put it in our box. Input, two woofer, tweeters, and that's all. So watch out for the next video whereby we'll start the project on building that speaker specifically. Don't forget to subscribe so that you will get notification when I drop that video. Thank you. See you in my next video. Peace.